Hello. So today we're in front of one of our Mohandeseen accommodations. The accommodation is situated on the last floor, and we have three very nice cozy rooms. So now you can see the street. It's a lovely street with lots of green and trees, and it is mostly very silent than other neighborhoods you can find in Cairo. And here you can find many local restaurants and many other local places to hang out. So welcome to our accommodation. Now I'll show you the rooms. First we start with the kitchen, that it's right on the left when you enter the apartment. Here is the sink, and there's a pretty large oven and another large refrigerator. And here there's the boiler so that you can prepare your teas and coffees and enjoy them in the nice balcony we have that I'm going to show you in a bit. So this is the first bathroom we have. Don't worry, it's pretty small, but we have another one. But it still has all you need actually. There's a shower and sink and the toilet as well. So now we go to the favorite place. This is the living room, and we have two cozy couches. And then we also have the AC and a large dining table. So don't worry about the place getting messy, because we have a cleaning lady visiting regularly. And then also we have a TV actually where you can watch your series or movies and improve your Arabic maybe. So now we go to the best part, the most enjoyable part of the apartment, the balcony. So as I told you, this apartment has a very nice green view and the neighborhood is quite silent. So what you can do is you can come and bring your chairs here and study, or you can also just bring your tea or coffee and read your book and enjoy the silence actually, because it's a rare thing to find in Cairo. So let's go. And let's not forget that there's a tool that you can dry your clothes when you wash them. We also provide internet in the accommodation, and you can see the password over there. Now we go to visit the rooms. So our first room is a double room. It's the largest one actually in the apartment. So here you see we have two double beds, and we have a big space for storage. It's actually enough for more than two people. And there you have the air conditioning that you can use both for winter and summer. Now we go to the second bathroom that I've been mentioning. So as you can see, it's larger and it has all you need still. So there's the shower, you have the heater. So in Arabeya's accommodation, you never need to worry about the water, because you always have the hot water. And there's the washing machine. So now we go to the second room. This one is a single room, so it's quite smaller, but don't worry, it still has all you can need. There's the storage, it's pretty large, and you have the air conditioning. And this is the last room we have. So this is also a double room, and you have quite a lot of storage as well. And you have the air conditioning. And the best part is you have the same view of the balcony. So thanks for watching us, and hope to see you with us